this weekend it is definitely autumn, but the exciting thing about a new season is that the new fashion trends will be coming out, and today I will be filling you in about all the trends for autumn winter 24-25. Hi everyone, my name is Shannon and this is my channel The Sewing Warehouse, your go-to spot for all things stitch related. So let's start with the colors for this season. First up is Tomato Cream. This is a soft red with a hint of light orange. It is so warm and inviting. Then we have Golden Palm, which is a rich yellow toned shade, which feels sunny and bold. Red Orange is another one. This is a vibrant color that will make you feel empowered. And it's followed by Scarlet Smile, which is more of a glamorous red. There are two green tones for this season called Aventurine and Fern. Aventurine is more of a teal colored, whereas Fern, as it says in the name, is more of a leafy green. Then there is Italian Plum, which is a deep purple color. So for the colors that are a bit more neutral this season, we have Moonstruck, which is like a light grey color. Winter Sky, which is like a light blue, kind of like a baby bluish color. And last but not least, there's Lucent White, which is a very crisp, bright white. So if I then compare these to my own colors, I am in autumn, so most autumnal colors will suit my palette quite well. So the ones I think that would suit me best are kind of like the orangey red tones, like Red Orange and Tomato Cream. They are perfect for my complexion. The Aventurine would suit me as well, as I do have the teal color in my palette. The color that wouldn't suit me at all is the deep purple. I don't have any purples in my palette, so I don't really want to wear that directly to my face. I obviously can still wear the color as trousers or a skirt, or if I accessorize it properly, it wouldn't be a problem. Let's talk about the garments that are on trend this season. Remember, fashion is very personal. That's what makes it fun. You don't have to follow these trends to be stylish. Just wear what makes you feel amazing. So the first trend we are seeing is green. Basically, green will be everywhere. Green bags, green belts, green shoes. You will see green everywhere you go. Another thing you'll be seeing everywhere is brown jackets and brown boots. Especially knee-high boots will complement your outfit perfectly. I personally love brown shoes. I've got loads of brown shoes, so this trend suits me perfectly. So a trend that might not suit me so well is leather. Leather skirts and leather trousers are going to be the trend this season. If you love wearing leather, time to bring it out. The next trend is denim skirts and wide leg trousers. I mean, denim never really goes away, does it? I have had to get used to the wide leg trend, but I think I am coming around to it, and I will definitely have to try and make a pair of denim wide leg trousers this season. The following trend is something I think people in the sewing community are going to be really happy about, and it is leopard print. Leopard print is going to be everywhere. Shoes, bags, it cannot be too crazy. And then the last trend I want to talk to you about is something that I really like, and that is plaid blazers. I have had a plaid blazer in my wardrobe for years. So long it has come back in trend. So I'm going to be wearing that a lot this season. It's still in pristine condition, so it will look bright as new. Now, of course, I couldn't resist going through my fabric stash to see if I have any fabrics that match the season's colors, because planning makes half the fun, doesn't it? So the first fabric is this viscose satiny fabric, dark green with like butterflies, ladybugs, dragonflies on it. And I've always known I wanted to make the Olivia blouse in this, but I really wanted to make sure the pattern fitted perfectly before I got into this fabric. I have made it a couple times now. I've made my adjustments I need to do, so I am ready to get this washed up and cut out. And then there is this flowery viscose twill that also going to be an Olivia blouse. It has those kind of like camel tones that fit the colors really nicely. Now this fabric is actually a furnishing fabric, but I am making a blazer in it. I was inspired when watching TV show Glamorous, and I saw a cropped blazer kind of thing someone was wearing, and I really wanted to recreate that. So I bought this fabric. It has the season's greens colors, and then it also has that little bit of purple in it, and like some orange and red as well. And I'm going to be using the Bryce blazer by Vicky Sews. I have not made it before, so we shall see how it goes. So I have this dark purple wool fabric that I got in one of my Fabric Godmother subscription boxes. As I said, it doesn't really go well with my complexion, but I think I will be making a pair of Protea trousers and they will look fabulous. Now, then there's this light grey that I've had it for a while. I bought it at one of the NEC shows. I think I bought it last year, but I didn't get around to making it, and then I didn't think it was useful to cut it up for summer. So I'm making it this season, and I'll be making the full-length Nico dress by True Bias. And the fabric is so soft, and I think it will keep me nice and warm in the cooler months in the office. I have this leopard print viscose on a teal background that matches the trends perfectly. I recently bought this from Lady McElroy, and as soon as I spotted it, I was like, I need to have this. And I really want to make like a pussy bow blouse with big balloon sleeves in it, and I think I don't know the name, but one of the patterns by Trend Patterns, I think that would be the perfect match for this. So I only have 2 meters, so I'll have to look to see if that's enough, but I am hopeful that it is. Last but not least, I have this stack of fat quarters that have all the autumn colors on it, and I will be making a quilted vest with this, and I'm gonna line it with some gorgeous Sherpa that I have, and it's gonna keep me cozy all winter long. I am not yet sure how I want to cut the pieces, but I'll just figure out as I go along. So, what is your favorite trend this season? Let me know in the comments. As always, thank you for watching, and for now, let's go sew.